I am giving you all the Sade vibes right now. I am giving you all of life.
Yeah. Yeah.
What up, y'all? It's Nika.go, and we're not gonna act like this video needs a long intro because it's a very simple look. It's a poppin' look, but it's a simple look, and you know why you're here. So let's get into the look. But first, okay, getting right to it. So in order for me to get the sleekest look, I have to part my hair down the middle like so, because you gotta take this thickness in sections, okay? Okay. So now I'm just focusing on the back, wetting it, making sure that it is nice and flat, hitting it with my Eco Styler, and just making sure it's nice and smooth, and then I'm just gonna put that in a ponytail. So my hair still has a lot of gel in it from my wet look. And if you haven't seen my wet look video, it's somewhere up above if you want to go take a look at that. But when I sprayed my hair, it kind of reactivated that gel, so smoothing the front part was a lot easier. All right, now to tame the puff. We're going to be using my Anasi Naturals Aloe Hibiscus leave-in just to kind of detangle it, so it is more manageable to kind of put into the little knots. Then I'm going to take a rubber band starting at the top and make my first little knot. I don't know why I'm calling them knots, but they just look like little knots. Then moving on to the second, I just keep going all the way down till I get to the very end. But we're not going to stop there. We got to finesse this little ponytail. And what better way to finesse it than with some hair jewels? Bam! This just gives the look just some more elegance, some more pop. Because again, it is a very simple look. So any simple thing that you can do to just make it pop really takes this look up a notch. So now we're adding some more elevation to this style with baby hair. And this 24-hour edge tamer is so bomb. I got it from the beauty supply. So I'm just brushing all the hairs down, then putting the edge tamer on. That way I can start to kind of sculpt the artistic vibe for these baby hairs. Baby hairs are they're just art, man. They're just art. You could do them differently every time. I thought the curly Q was just a nice touch to again elevate this very simple ponytail. You know what it is. It's my trusted baby hair layer. Bam! And there it is. So cute. This style is so good for the summer, for barbecues, for a pool party. You gonna be popping, girl. You gonna be popping. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, go ahead on and give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell, all that great stuff. But until next time, thank you for watching and stay poppin'. Ew.